Here we have some more questions where we are asked to solve for x. These are algebraic equations, right? So we go identify what's happening to our x on the side that x is on. We are first timesing with 5 and then minusing 4. So we have to work in the opposite direction. We are first going to add our 4 so that we have 5x is equal to 10. Therefore, we've now finished. We've dealt with the minus 4 by plusing 4. Now we're going to deal with the times 5 by dividing by 5. So our answer is going to be x is 2. In the second question, we identify we have two terms. First term will remain unchanged. You can just go right through for now. But in our second term, we are going to have to multiply that minus 2 with each term inside the bracket. So minus 2 is being times with x, and minus 2 is being times with 4. Do we see there were two terms inside the bracket, so our answer for that bracket has two terms. So we have 4x minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and then minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. We can go add our like terms together. So we get 2x minus 8 is 0. And let's just continue out there. Then we want our minus 8 to move to the other side of the equation. And we do that by plusing 8. Remember, we identify this as being times with 2 and minus with 8. So we first plus 8 and then we'll divide by 2. So we have 2x is equal to 8. And then we've dealt with our minus 8 by plusing 8. So we deal with our divide by, and we deal with our multiply of 2 by dividing by 2. So x is 4. Then in this third equation, what is happening to us? In this third equation, what is happening to our x is first we are timesing with 3, and then we are dividing by 2. So we work backwards again. First we times by 2, so that we have 3x is equal to negative 12. And now we can go divide by 3. So we have x is equal to negative 4. Do you see? We dealt with the negative divide by 2 by multiplying 2, and by the multiply with 3 by dividing by 3. And this last question is an example where we have our variable in the exponent, so we call it an exponential equation. So our technique for that is we need to go rewrite everything so it has the same base. So you rewrite 32 as 2 to the power something, and if you don't know, you go do your tree method, right? 32. We know 2 goes in there. And 32 divided by 2 is 16. We know 2 goes in there also. Remember, these have to be prime numbers. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Hi, 2 goes in there also. Now we have 4. 2 goes in there also. Now we have 2. 2 goes in there also until we have a 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2. So it's 2 to the power 5. Now we have our bases are the same, therefore our exponents are equal.